Bye, Papa.
Bye.
Let's go. Let's go for a walk. Do you want it?
Yeah.
Do you think we can get all the way before the rain comes?
Maybe.
Maybe. Or do we have to run?
Maybe need to work.
Maybe we need to run. Yeah, it looks very, very dark in front of us. We're going for a little walk, because what are we doing? We're returning some helmets, aren't we? Because my helmet is still in the storage.
Yeah.
And why did I need a helmet?
Because we're going to bicycle.
Yeah, no, you're allowed to bicycle without helmet on.
No.
No, so we needed to go and borrow some.
Yeah.
So now we're going for a walk to return them.
Come and look at this. Come and look at this. That there, the old toilet. It's obviously been picked apart and stuff, but it's out. So here's how it looked before. Are you ready? So yeah, there you have it. The new toilet is in. Pretty happy with it. Obviously, ignore all this bit. We need to fix up the rest of the bathroom, but there you have it. Look at that. Home-built DIY compost toilet. We've got a bit of storage down there. There's your compost in that little bin there. Toilet's not been used yet, don't worry. So it's clean, but there you go. Separating compost toilet. Turned out pretty good. If you look really closely, like, you can sort of tell that it was me that built it. There's a few bits that are like, let's say a little bit rough around the edges maybe. I am by no means a carpenter, let's say that. But functionally, I think it looks like it's going to work really well. So it's not been properly tested yet. We're just waiting for Mr. Pooh to strike, which is obviously Charlie. He uses the toilet about 5 times a day, so I'm sure it'll get tested soon enough. But yeah, all in all, it's turned out really good. So obviously that's the main bit, the actual toilet bit. But the other day, probably the most nervous part of the whole operation for me, at least, was putting in that little vent up there. It doesn't look like much, but when I was doing it, I had to drill a sizable hole in the side of the van. It's always a nervous experience, but yeah, it went really well. And I'm quite happy with how that turned out as well. Obviously, it's only a little vent. It sort of looks like it was meant to be there. So, and one like added bonus thing, when we took out the old toilet, we realised how bloody heavy it is. Obviously, there's like a water tank in there for you to flush it. So that's where most of the weight comes from, I think. But I was surprised that it was quite heavy. So the new one that we've built has turned out to be really, really light. So we probably save a few kilos towards the weight loss project as well, which is always a bonus when you live in a van. So probably say we're pretty happy with it in the end. It's good. So with the toilet update out of the way, I've got a bit of news for you. See if you can guess what it is. It's I'll give you a clue. It's not hospital related and it's not van related. Have a little guess. What do you think it is?
What do you got on your feet?
WI.
What is it called in English?
Ladies, I got the wow.
Yeah.
Me too. I got my penguini.
You got with penguins on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got those med purple.
Purple. They're really nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. You almost hope that it's going to rain so you can get some puddles to splash in, don't you?
This walk is amazing.
This walk is amazing.
Yeah.
Do you think maybe we can find some blueberries anywhere?
Maybe.
Maybe.
No, maybe some other stuff.
Smultron. I think smultron is wild strawberries or something like that, maybe.
Wild strawberry.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was yo.
Yeah, it was loads, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We were picking smultron for hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Freja just see a snail.
Did you just see a snail, did she?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's loads of them here.
Det finns snails under the leaves or
They might do.
Yeah. Otherwise, they go under the ground.
Do you think they live under the ground?
Yeah.
I think that's the worms that lives under the ground.
The bone worms.
Wait, what did you say?
I think the bone worms.
Do you think the bomb worms
Yeah.
live under the ground?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
We find some berries. You see?
Ah,
Wild strawberries.
there's some in here. Yeah.
Look. Mmm, yummy. Is it nice? This is what we spend most time on at the moment, innit? Finding berries in the forest. Oh, bless you. Nice, Bella. Looks very, very dark above us now. Yeah. Should we get going so we get there before it starts raining?
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 3, 2, 1, go.
What happened if you walk that way?
You get to the football ground and then you get to a school.
Oh, okay. But I'm not going to school because I'm just 4 years old.
Exactly. When do you start school,
Yeah.
Charlie?
When I'm 6 years old.
Yeah.
Yeah. And somebody else. This is a snail. Here is a snail. Some is maybe died. It's maybe died.
Maybe that.
And I don't know if it died. But it's a beautiful house here. Where this house is really nice.
Yeah, so we're just out for a little stroll today. Needed to get out and move a little bit. We've been staying at my parents' house for almost a full week now because we are building a toilet. And because it's taken a little bit longer than we planned. We stayed a bit longer than we planned. And just because it's supposed to rain basically all the time, we said let's borrow their house for a few more days so we can run around inside and not be locked into a van without a toilet. But we also stayed there because on Monday I obviously did my scan, but it all went all right. But that's also a reason why we're staying around here for a bit. We staying at Mormor and Morfar's house, aren't we?
So Mama can take his scans when she needs his scans.
Yeah, exactly. So I can do the scans when I need the scans.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we're just waiting for the test results or the scan results, and then we can get on with life again, hopefully. What did we find? Blueberries. What a day, Bella. Blueberries, wild strawberries and cherries. Perfect day out.
Back from your walk.
Yeah.
I don't know what you've done to the kids, but they're absolutely hyper.
I know. It's the buns. No, I don't know what it is. It's the excitement of walking in the rain.
Yeah, it's something. I don't know what you've done, but they're all over the place. Little nutters.
It's the blueberries.
Must be.
Must be.
I'll tell you what, it's raining all the time.
Yeah.
It feels like we're in the UK.
Yeah.
Feels like we're in England.
Yeah.
It's like this is the English summer. It's like not super cold, but it's just raining all the time.
Every single day.
Pretty much.
I was saying that earlier, but I don't know how good audio you get on the little camera. So I was saying that that's why we've been staying here in my parents' house for a bit longer than we planned, because it's raining all the bloody time.
Raining all the time, and we've wanted to get the toilet done.
Yeah.
Those are the
exactly.
two main reasons.
Yeah.
Yes. But the toilet's done now.
It is.
Wicked.
Yeah.
Hopefully it works.
Yeah.
But on to the big news.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Did you guess what it was? So, if you've been following us for a little while, you might know that a few months ago now, probably actually, we
work very fast.
Yeah, we do. We've had a lot on. A few months ago, we started a project while we were in Tenerife, didn't we?
Yeah, and we said in a few weeks this thing will be released, and now, like 4 months later.
Something like that, yeah.
We're finally done.
We've had a lot on, all right. We're finally ready to release the podcast.
Yeah.
Yay! Woo! So, woohoo! So next Tuesday, if you're watching this when it's first released, next Tuesday the 9th of July, there'll be 2 podcast episodes for you to listen to.
Yeah.
It was obviously a long time ago when we recorded those while we were in Tenerife, yeah.
Yeah.
But we get progressively more and more comfortable talking into the microphone, don't we?
We get better.
I think so. You'll see for yourself. But we are really excited about it. It's been ages. It's been a long time coming. Mm-hmm. And it feels nice that we're finally at a stage where we can start putting it out.
Yeah, it feels really fun.
So next Tuesday, there'll be 2 episodes live for you to listen to. Yeah. And then we're releasing 1 episode a week after that.
Hopefully.
For forever.
Forever.
We'll see. But that's the plan anyway. We're still going to be releasing videos on YouTube every Friday. But now there'll be a podcast episode every Tuesday as well.
Yeah, if you miss us.
Yeah, you won't miss us. It'll be too much of us. You'll be sick of us. Yeah, the podcast will be available everywhere you listen to podcasts, mostly sort of Spotify and Apple Music and stuff like that. But it's also on YouTube as well.
So you can also watch us.
Yeah, the first few episodes are audio only.
Yeah.
So on YouTube, it's just like a still image or whatever. But after about episode 5, I think it is, we're recording video as well. So
yeah,
video podcast as well.
Yeah.
So we'll leave links in the description below. Please go in and hit follow, hit subscribe, get ready for next Tuesday when they'll be live. You can listen to them wherever you want.
Yeah.
We should also say the name of the podcast, if you wanted to find us by Googling or anything, is...
Life on a Stick.
Life on a Stick, that's the name of the podcast. Yeah, we're super happy with the name. It's translated from Swedish, a Swedish saying,
yeah.
Leave it to pump in there. Basically means to live life to the full and enjoy life. And not necessarily like jumping out of a plane every day, but enjoying the little things and appreciating life, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thought it was quite fitting for us.
Yeah, so. I was just going to say, just as we do.
Yeah.
So yeah, don't forget to click the link below and go follow us over there as well.
Yeah.
It'll be a new type of journey with us, I think. We need to get used to just talking.
Yeah.
But I think it will be fun. I hope it will be fun, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it as much as we enjoy doing it.
Yeah, definitely. I hope that as well. It's been really fun for us so far, and it feels like a fun thing to carry on with.
Yeah, we're going to go through everything.
Yeah.
More that, like, it's not just going to be an 8-minute video. It's going to be 40 minutes of us talking
But so good
yeah, we're going to go through how it is living in a van, why we do this. We're going to go through the cancer journey. We're going to go through everything. And if there's anything else that you would want us to talk about, just write a little comment and we'll see if we can do that one week.
Yeah, definitely. Absolutely. That's a really good idea. Cool. Thanks very much for watching this one. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure you go over to Life on a Stick and hit the subscribe button there.
Yes.
And get ready for next Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you then.
We'll see you next Tuesday. Bye. Oh, you're not supposed to say see you next Tuesday, are you? That's really rude. Sorry.